Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Learn Think Right. We have done with the formatting tags in HTML and today we'll be seeing the meta tags. Okay, so what is meta tag? Sometimes you need to specify additional information about the page. For example, suppose you want to describe some author name, expiry date, and some details like this about the page. So in that situation you use meta tags. Okay, it lets you specify some information about the data or the web page. Now next is how to write meta tag. Meta tag is already is normally written in the head tag. Okay, and it is not having any kind of closing tag. So let us see the example. Meta. Okay, as you see, the closing tag didn't appear here. That means it is not having closing tag. Now if suppose I want to write the description and it is having name and content pair. Okay, so you will be writing name and the content for that. Suppose I am writing name formatting. Okay, and the content will be content equals to HTML formatting. Okay, now let us write something in body. Okay, suppose I am writing here header, that is heading 1, meta tag tutorial. Let us see. So meta tag tutorial is appearing over here in the header, the heading 1. Now next we can also have more than one meta tags in a HTML document. And why one more format is there? One is for the information of the writer of a code and another one is for refreshing the page or for setting up the cookies. Now we'll see how to write that. Again one more meta tag, meta, then what to write inside? HTTP equivalent. Okay, HTTP. So this is used to refresh a page. Sometimes in while surfing through net you refresh the page, so for that it is used. EQIV equals to, in double quotes, refresh space content equals to, suppose I'm writing here 5 and one more thing, URL. Okay, URL is uniform resource locator, that is address of your web page on the server. So for this, suppose I'm writing HTTP colon slash slash www dot google.com. So let us see what is it does for this one, and just give a backslash over there. Let us run it. So that value was for refreshing. Okay, you can try it in browser, okay, in your system. So this was about the meta tags in HTML. We'll be seeing much more about HTML in upcoming videos. For that, subscribe the channel. Thank you.